I hope you all are fine. I am Rupa Mulli. In my previous videos, I have discussed about light emitting diode. You can find the link in description. In this video, I will explain one of the special type of PN junction diode, which is photodiode. That name indicates it is functioning based on photon, means light. Let's learn in details. Outlines of this video. Basics of photodiode. Then symbol of photodiode. Next we will learn working of photodiode. Then after we will see applications of photodiode in details. A photodiode is a light sensitive PN junction semiconductor device. To receive the light, active area of the photodiode is kept transparent. It may contain inbuilt lens. So when light or photon falls on the photodiode, it easily converts light into electric current. In other words, the intensity of light can be detected by a photodiode. So it is also referred as photodetector, photosensor or light detector. Photodiode is specially designed to operate in reverse bias, means P side is connected to the negative terminal of the battery and N side is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. In forward bias, it works similar to normal PN junction diode. It works on the principle of photoelectric effect, means the emission of electron occurs when light is incident on the diode. The symbol of photodiode is similar to the basic diode symbol. Here, addition of two inward arrows which indicate the direction of light. Whenever the light falls on the photodiode, it generates photocurrent. It has two terminals, a cathode and an anode. A cathode terminal is connected to N-type material and an anode terminal is connected to P-type material. Let us understand how does it work. The working of photodiode is almost similar to the normal PN junction diode. In normal diode, voltage is used as the energy source to generate electric current, whereas in photodiode, voltage and light both are used as energy source. As we know, when a certain reverse bias voltage is applied to a normal PN junction diode, it allows a small amount of electric current due to the minority charge carrier. In P-type material, having electron is the minority charge carrier, and in N-type material, hole is the minority charge carrier. To increase the electric current under reverse bias condition, we need to generate more minority carriers. The minority carriers in P-type material having electron experience a repulsive force from the external voltage and try to move towards N side. However, before crossing the junction, the recombination of electron and hole generate neutral atom at the depletion region. As a result, no electric current flows. To overcome this problem, we need to apply some external energy directly to the depletion region to generate more charge carriers. A special type of diode called photodiode is designed to generate more number of charge carrier in depletion region. We use light or photon as the external energy. If it gets enough energy to break the covalent bond of neutral atom, will become free electrons. This free electron movement then generates high reverse current through the device is called photocurrent. The intensity of light energy is directly proportional to the current through the device. When no light is applied to the reverse bias photodiode, it carries a small reverse current due to external voltage is called dark current. The total current through the photodiode is the sum of the dark current and the photocurrent. Photodiode technology has many applications and widely used nowadays. I will discuss in detail some popular applications of photodiode. One of the popular use of photodiode is a warning alarm circuit. Here in the doorway, if we set a infrared light in such a way, the light always falls on a photodiode. As the diode is already connected in a reverse bias, there would be a reverse current flows through the diode in alarm circuit. The circuit is so designed, if any type of obstruction occurs in the light source, the reverse current in the photodiode comes down to dark current level. An alarm bell starts sounding. When any person enters through the door, the light beam breaks and the alarm sounds. Using these arrangements, we can use as a warning alarm in a protected area or your home for security purpose. Not only that, same technology we can use for counting. Nowadays, this type of arrangements we can see in malls doorway. When a person passes through the door, the light beam breaks and there is a beep. The counter circuit count 1. Same way, another person go through, the light beam breaks, the counter will count 2. In this way, the mall authority will know how many people are entering every day. Same way, we can easily count number of items by using photodiode. Here, the light source and photodiode are fitted in such a way that if the light beam breaks, the counter gets 1 increment and count the items. Same technology it is used in banks for note counting. It is so quick, so exact. Each and every notes there will be 1 break, 1 make. In smoke detector, the circuit is designed in such a way, once the smoke enters the detection circuitry, IR LED gets scattered onto the photodiode, which in turn sends the signal to the control panel to alarm circuit. Another most useful application is in optical communication system as a photo detector. Other important applications are in medical applications, consumer electronics and many more. I hope after learning this video, you will try to make some useful gadgets using photodiode technology. Thank you for watching this video.